see on our boats, we have the organ, typical Belgian system, almost controlled only by Kling-Net. Kling-Net is a new system, the future. It is easy, it is a free world, it's the future to control everything for everybody.
On board, perché sono prodotti creativi, tantissimi LED controllabili single pixel, e quindi avevamo necessità di utilizzare un protocollo che rendesse facile, immediato e alla portata di tutti l'utilizzo di questi nuovi proiettori. Il feedback ricevuto in fiera è stato straordinario, tutti quanti l'hanno trovato la soluzione ottimale per appunto controllare nella maniera appropriata i nostri nuovi prodotti. Nei nostri piani pensiamo di impiegare Kling-Net sempre di più, anche perché appunto la tecnologia, lighting e video
Kling-Net is one of the best protocols to work with, and to learn how to work with mappings and LED fixtures. Then again, also it saves you a lot of money. If you take a MediaMaster Express or a MediaMaster Pro and you have your Kling-Net mapping ready, you can trigger it with an external device. So you're streaming like 10,000 pixels or DMX addresses, but you are doing it on Kling-Net, and you simply trigger it with DMX inputs. So with 10 DMX inputs you can do a big show without having the big data streams on your network, which you normally had with ArKaos. So I think it's a very good protocol, and I really hope that more manufacturers will adapt Kling-Net on their matrices and fixtures in the future.
Very happy to be using the Kling-Net protocol in a lot of our products here on display. The ease of use of Kling-Net in our products allows our users to easily pixel map and control their lighting effects, basically in a plug-and-play scenario, so that it doesn't take up a lot of DMX universes. You can easily link fixtures together, map them, and control them. So we really enjoy having the Kling-Net protocol added to our products.